Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very simple, very easy recipe for you, but it's nonetheless very delicious, and I hope you give it a try because it's perfect for the winter time and not only for Christmas, like the whole winter time. You want to start out by separating your eggs because we're only going to use the egg yolks. You can use the egg whites for, cookies and stuff like that. There's a ton of good recipes to use up egg whites. Next up, you want to add some sugar to that, and then you want to go ahead and mix those two things together really well. So give this a good minute or two. Then you want to grate your chocolate. You want to pour some milk into a pan. You want to go ahead and add the grated chocolate to that and melt it together. Wait for this to boil. When this is completely combined and boiling, you want to take it off the heat, and while you're whisking, you want to pour in the egg yolk mixture. Then you want to whisk them more, and if you want to, you can add your rum or whatever you're using as an alcohol, but you don't have to do this step. And then you're basically done. You can fill it into glasses and enjoy it. I think this is a really fun recipe. It's very chocolatey and delicious, and yeah, just a very nice wintry drink. I hope you give it a try, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye!